Auth is the thing everyone rebuilds and nobody wants to. Buildbase manages all your users for you. You just pick how they log in, and make it yours. Pick your login methods: email and password, magic links, and social sign-in with Google, LinkedIn, GitHub, or Microsoft. For social, you bring your own client ID and secret, and Buildbase handles the rest. Then brand every page, and not just the login. Registration, forgot password, reset password, magic link, verify email. Every screen gets your logo, your name, your copy, and your privacy and terms links. It reads as your product, because it is. And put the whole thing on your own domain, auth.yourapp.com, branded, with SSL, no powered by anyone but you. Under it all, you create a client ID and secret for your app. Keep it normal, or make it OAuth 2.0, turning your app into its own OAuth provider. Now other apps can sign in with your app, just like the big platforms. Login methods, branded pages, your own domain, even your own OAuth server, all managed for you. No auth to build. Buildbase.